To help save Florida's dying reefs, the U.S. government is taking the unprecedented step of putting 2 kinds of coral on the endangered species list.
And tonight, the thorny question of exactly how to protect them will be the focus of a public hearing. Jeff Burnside went on coral patrol to an unexpected place that's become part of the problem.
Who'd have thought there'd ever be a need to put coral on the endangered species list? But it's happening. Staghorn corals, shown here, and elkhorn corals used to be everywhere in South Florida. Now, within just 30 years, they've nearly become extinct. But 2 coral scientists, think of them as coral cops, showed us where you can still find them. Shell shops like Alex's, a kitschy Florida tradition.
So this is a staghorn coral.
Our experts want to make it illegal to sell these corals once shops sell off existing stock. Because if selling them will fetch a high price, poachers will steal them from the ocean illegally.
As you look at this piece of coral, what feelings do you have? What emotions do you have?
Well, I miss the fish. I miss all those other organisms that would normally be using this as a home. This would provide all that 3-dimensional structure that is the reef that we depend on, that all those organisms depend on, and that obviously the tourism industry here in South Florida depends on.
In fact, the store manager says they've already seen a rush on staghorn and elkhorn in anticipation that protection will make them even harder to find. To put it in perspective, these species have the same protection as bald eagles or loggerhead sea turtles or the African elephants or koala bears. You don't see them for sale on the store shelves very often. For these coral species, you do.
This coral, which is now listed under the Endangered Species Act as a threatened species, will also be potentially for sale in stores.
Sending the wrong message.
Yes.
To save them, the federal government is right now crafting a plan. What's killing them? Divers and souvenir hunters, ships and anchors, pollution from onshore, and global warming is causing deadly diseases. Not easy to solve. But scientists say including the shell shops is one part of a very important plan. Jeff Burnside, NBC6.
Now, you can be part of the Coral Protection Plan by going to the Marathon Government Center at mile marker 50 from now tonight until 8 o'clock, or you can go to NBC6.net for other ways to submit your ideas. You have until June the 2nd.